In this video, I'll show you how to add an Instagram link to your TikTok profile. This is a great way to connect with your followers on both platforms and make it easy for them to find you. So make sure to watch this video until the very end and follow the simple steps. First of all, open up the TikTok application and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your TikTok profile, tap on the Edit Profile button. And it will show you these options. So what you want to do next is tap on Add Instagram. And then you have to log into your Instagram account. So go ahead and type in your phone number, username, or email address over here. And then type in your Instagram password. After that, simply tap on Login. And then tap on Allow to give permission. And boom, now your TikTok followers can simply tap on this Instagram icon to go to your Instagram profile, and you can leverage your TikTok to grow your Instagram profile. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.